Hello, I was thinking of replacing the fuel filter today and making a short video of it. There are 120 operating hours in the filter, it's time to replace it. It didn't take more than 30 minutes. Before you start complaining about how I do it that way. If you don't like it, make a better video. First, I bought a replacement kit from Enduro Engineering. Cheaper than the factory kit. I take this cover off by putting a zip tie under the clamps and it comes down very easily, so I don't have to force it. I've seen someone suffer by this a lot. Very useful tool, angle grinder. I know. Sparks and gasoline mostly are not a good friend, preferably free the system from fuel before you start grinding. Sharp blade will do the job. Also, it doesn't hurt to put on safety glasses when you're grinding. If you remove that little ear, the clamp will come down by free hand, or use a small screwdriver. All I need is a cheap pliers, which is $1 at the general store. 30 minutes and all done. Note, I don't care how you do it, that's how I do it. I take no responsibility if you are harmed, this video is informative only.